Alright, what is up, guys? So today I am going to legitimately do data logging this time. So, not in this video, in the next video I post, which is going to be on a different car than my car. I talk about doing data logging, but the whole time I was doing it, I didn't have everything I needed to log, and that was just because there was a lot of confusion. So I figured it out. I was data logging it last night a little bit when I drove up. I did a little toge run with Keaton and Logan and other people. Halfway through the run, the AFR cable just kind of I don't know what happened. It like disconnected and it just sat on one number, and it was just recording like 11 or 12 or 13, 14 or whatever, just holding it while everything else was still recording. Today I'm just gonna, instead of going on long runs, doing some hard pulls and like keeping it consistent, because I think it's just like wiggling around and just getting loose and whatnot and just like losing connection. I'm just gonna rip around the block, go get some food, and then I do want to go grab some pictures today of the car because I haven't really had any, and the car's not what I want it to look like right now, but I do need some pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up here shortly. The couple runs I am gonna do, I'm actually gonna strap this onto the back of the car, so it's not gonna have audio inside the car. I might leave the GoPro audio in, as if it doesn't sound like shit, but I'm gonna strap the GoPro to my head, do some point of view stuff, and then yeah. Also, another thing too is that so the car has an oil leak. When I drove it last night, I couldn't really tell because the new car was still hot and whatnot. It looked pretty low, or not like low, but like halfway. Put some oil on it. Checked it this morning. It was actually like a good little bit above full. So I don't know, but it definitely is leaking some. It's coming from the bung for the oil return line for the turbo, and I'm able to fix it. The thing is I got to take that off. So basically, when I'm ready to not really change the oil, I'm gonna drive it a little bit, kind of get my fucking $30 worth of oil in at least, and then take it off, drain the oil, go to the fitting place. It's called A1 Fitting out in Tualatin. They should be able to hook me up with a better hose than whatever's on there right now, which I think is like just some eBay hose, really. So we'll get that fixed too at some point. I do need to get that fixed before I A, start drifting this, and B, going on long drives. But for right now, around town, a little bit farther, isn't too much of a big deal. While the car kind of warms up too, I'll kind of show you guys what we're looking at here. I don't know how, oh my god, how well it's coming up on camera, but you can kind of see what we got up top. We got AFR, O2, battery load, ignition timing, throttle position, speed, and RPMs. So when I hit record, it's gonna start recording all that. Now, like I said, I'm only gonna go around the block because last night I did this and I gave it the sauce. Like, I was going up and down mountain roads and back roads and just going hard in the paint. It just kind of like stopped recording that right there, the AFR. So I had to disconnect it, reconnect it, or not disconnect, but hit the button to stop it and then reconnect it, kind of thing. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, once this is up to temp, I'll just drive it around the block, do some good pulls, some good second gear, third gear, wide open throttle, just so I can send it to Billy, and then he can just see, oh, okay, that's where we need to, make improvements on and whatnot. So yeah, she's about 120 right now, so at about 140 we'll start driving her. this is what I'm talking. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh man, I hate this laptop. Does not work very well. All right, so we'll shut down Nistune. We'll start it back up. We'll just send him a bunch of, like, I guess, like in between logs and stuff like that. Download failed. Yeah. I know you do that sometimes. Okay. Now that it's running again, we'll try and do a couple pulls here. Do like just good second gear. Stop again to save. Yes, save this log. Go ahead and shut down Nistune. We'll shut down the car for right now. I might need to adjust the idle air. Something's going on. It's idling kind of high. That's the first though. Anyways, yeah, we have like 30 psi of oil right now. It's running good today though. It's just idling high. 20 on the boost gauge, so I didn't pop something off to create a vacuum leak. Alright, whatever, fuck it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys, I left my camera in the car, but this is basically the fucking log. Now I'm looking for this gray line. Those are my RPMs. So when it goes up, like right here, it's going up. I need to see where my AFR is going. So right here is where it spikes, and then my AFR goes fucking all the way down to about 910, 12. Yeah, so it's running rich. Battery's got good fucking just solid voltage. TP is load. Timing goes like, dude, holy shit, timing goes like fucking 33 degrees. Fucking hell. Huh? This is where I'm slowing down to do the turn. And this is the weird part, because it just kind of like sat at 20 for a minute. Shut up. What do you want? Hi. Come here. What's up, dude? So yeah, that's pretty much data logging and how it works. So I have that all saved. Here a little bit later, I'm gonna go ahead and email this to him and be good to go. Alright, so I'm here just chilling with my car. This is literally one of my favorite spots to be because it is 100% nature, the car. And yeah, I was gonna go on that long drive, then I remember, you know, the oiling issue I'm having and whatnot. I don't want to be like out pretty far. So this is like Mount Timber, I think, if I remember correctly. It's right up the road from the house. It's really not that far of a drive. It's an awesome fucking spot too. Like right here is like one of my favorite spots to be. God damn, it looks like shit. So there's a little drive today. I got my data logging. Got some of it last night, and then today I'll probably won't do much. I've been honestly day in, day out for the last week, so maybe I should use my one day off this week to like take a break and just chill. But I don't know, that's just not who I am. I'm a workaholic. So today's gonna be a short video, but I really wanted to get this data logging stuff on a video to show you guys, you know, kind of how the whole process works and all that, and kind of what's going on with the car. So there'll be more of that, of course, because, you know, when the seasons change, the tune has to change because the air gets denser or colder or whatever, you know, and all this other stuff. And I've noticed it too, because on the hotter days, the AFR is a little bit different than it is on the colder days. So yeah. And with that, I'm gonna get out of here. Look at this hunk of junk. It's so ugly. But you know what? I'm so stoked for the things to come for this shit box. Dude, it's gonna look baller at some point. I don't make a ton of money, but I do a lot of side work, which helps. So with that, I'm gonna get out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm not sure what's next. Next video is gonna be Keaton's M3, that's for sure. I gotta go back to his place sometime this week and finish it, just because we ran out of time one day. But anyways, I will see you guys all in the next video. Have a good day. Go get some nature. Go get outside. Fuck this COVID stuff. Go outside and just go sit in this for like 15-20 minutes. And you guys have a great week. Bye.